oil drain plug right there. We're gonna have to remove this guy right here. Alright. The star all the way around. You see it. Then we have two dents right here. One here and one over there. This guy. Now you uncover the secrets of 2021 Acura TLX. Oil drain plug, oil filter. Alright. You know I'm gonna hit it with the 17. Okay. So it might be hot. We have two options. Drop the drain plug or take it with you. Which one you want? Which one you wanna do? Let's get it. Let's get it. Or you just play with the oil. Yummy. Yeah. Now once you drain all the oil, put the oil drain plug back. Yummy. Tighten it, snag it with the 17mm. You know the vibes. And you can use this to lose the oil filter, just like this. My bad. Like that, you feel me? Pretty useful. Handy. Do it by hand. Watch out, it's gonna leak. Wait till it drains all of it or most of it. Back. Blah, 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 blah. That's a new oil filter, you know what I mean? Right there where it sits. Alright. Like so. Filter it out. Look that. Tighten it. Good. Put the cover back. Time for the oil. What it says? 0W20. That's what it's gonna get. You're gonna get this work. Oh, I'm gonna let you know how much I poured in here. Alright, don't worry about it. This is the first one though. That's right. Cool. 5.5, right? That's how it looks like the normal way. It's supposed to be right here, right? Alright, watch. Feel me? You know what I'm saying? 5.5. 0W20. 5.5. Yeah, I mean. That's it. Shout outs to my subscribers. Shout outs to my followers. I'll see you in the next one. Holla at your boy. Stu. I'm clocking out. I'm out.